Everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I'm aboard our brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This is in the middle of the Bay Boat series of Boston Whaler and handles everything you need to have a fantastic day, whether you're offshore fishing, in your shallow water area in the sandbars, or doing water sports or just cruising around. This boat is a fantastic layout we're going to go through today. Start in the back of the transom, we have this with the 300 V8 Mercury motor in white. Beautiful complement with our light blue hull color. We added a 8-foot power pole on the back, so easy to nudge up onto your favorite sandbar, hit the button, everything is stationary with the boat, and then sneaking into your shallow water with fishing is another fantastic feature of that one. Speaking of fishing, I'm on a beautiful casting platform on the back here. We have our seats out right now, but going to demonstrate real quick of how quickly these seats will tuck in. So this folds down, and then great casting platform room. You have 4 rod holders on the back, 2 on the gunnels, 4 rocket launchers up tops, and then 4 behind the helm seat. So plenty of rod holder storage and great platform area again to be able to be comfortable, have something to grab onto while you're fishing underway here. Also on the back, we have a huge 30-gallon live well, so easy access to your fish, live bait for fishing in there, and then freshwater shower will be easy access here, and then your swim ladder's off the back. So still some good walkability behind the helm seat, and then huge casting platform as we demonstrated. Now at the helm, we have the deluxe helm seat with Yeti cooler underneath. I love this helm seat because you have the bolster cushions to lean back against, and then very comfortable seating to sit on while you're underway. Windshield will block you about halfway when you're sitting down in the seat, so you can still have some protection. And then when you're up at the bolster, you get all that fresh saltwater air coming in on you. Armrests that'll fold down as well to keep everybody contained into these 2 helm seats. On the dash, this is the deluxe upgraded dash with the acrylic black Simrad screens integrated into there. That's the 12-inch Simrad. Adjustable steering wheel, electric trim tabs with indicators, your digital throttle and shift for your Mercury motor, JL audio sound system with the upgraded sound system. This will have the JL audio bigger speakers and sub, and then some easy rocker switches to access your freshwater live wells courtesy lights, and then a lockable glove box. Also on the dash, we have some nice SeaDek non-skid to put items on, and they're not going to be going all over the place. And then you have a wireless phone induction charging system and some more USB-C charging systems on here. Did the Abaco blue on the whole top to match the whole color, so it looks really sharp. And then in our storage area, we have a head that will go into a holding tank, and then some through rod holder storage that will go underneath this huge lounge area. So seating on center console boats are kind of few and far between, but Whaler's done a great job of blending both comfort and fishing ability into these boats, including this huge lounger right here that has massive storage underneath, so you can put all your fishing rods, cushions, covers, everything will fit under there in that deep storage, which is really nice. Including underneath will be storage for your synthetic teak bow table. This will go into that bracket and then comes off, and then the bracket and everything will store underneath the huge lounge underneath. In the 250 Dauntless, we're adding the nice seat backs that will lock in to give your 2 passengers very comfortable seating up front, and then easy to fold down. All these cushions come out to create a huge casting platform, and then you'll have storage, or it can be a great fish box, all insulated, cooler with ice. Everything works great on that end, and then your anchor locker will be up front. We also added the trolling motor package on here, so you have all your wiring and hookups. All you need is your trolling motor. And in this boat, we have a huge bow shade that will go into the 2 rod holder, or the pole holders up front, and then clip to your hard top. So everybody up here will be very, very comfortable if you're anchored out at your favorite sandbar. Quick overview of our 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, 90-gallon fuel tank, 15-inch draft, 18-degree dead rise, so it can handle all of your fun adventures out in the water. If you'd like to see this boat, please give me a call, Chris Honig at 910-256-8100, and hope to see you out in the water soon.